Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. My name is Luda, aka Knitty Life, and every week I try to post a new knitting or crocheting video of me doing something exciting. And so today I have something really exciting. So Christmas is coming up. Today is the 7th of December, so we're not too far. And I'm about to go to Breckenridge, and I brought my knitting machine and a huge bag of yarn. And I really wanted to knit hats for homeless people. It is cold in Colorado. Surprisingly, we're actually not having any snow right now.
214 days since Denver's last snow, the 5th longest stretch in recorded history.
And as of today, we officially tied the record for the latest first snowfall.
Anyway, I want to go to Brack and I want to knit 10 to 15 hats for homeless people and also add like a snowflake design or do a little bit something fun with it. And so let's go do that really quick. So I guess let's go drive to Breckenridge and I'll see you guys there. Yay! So we made it up to Breckenridge. I got my knitting machine in front of me, and then I got my big bag of yarn that I got from Michael's. So I am ready to roll my 10 to 15 beanies. Our first hat is going to be in this red color. All the materials will be listed down below in my description box if you'd like to purchase. So now let's go ahead and start rolling our beanies. I'm going to pass forward and put some lo-fi, and I'll catch you guys later for an update. Hey guys, so we've been working on our first hat for maybe like 20 minutes and we are on 80th row, and so it looks really good. I'm using the red for my first hat, and so now we're gonna take a break. Just ran up the stairs. We're gonna take a break. We're gonna go downtown Breckenridge and we're gonna do some Christmas shopping, and then we're gonna come back and continue rolling the yarn. So let's go shopping really quick and then come back and continue crocheting or knitting.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. So I just woke up like 7 minutes ago, and before we start crocheting for the day and knitting, let's go to Avon, which is not too far from Breckenridge, and let's go get some really cool breakfast. My parents are waiting for me outside, so let's go do that really quick.
And 46 minutes later.
Hey guys, today is day 2 and we are back from our breakfast spot. So now let's continue making those knitting hats for the homeless people. And so yesterday I actually did 3 of them. So I did 2 red, and again I want to make the double rim so homeless people are staying warm because it is cold in Colorado. And so we have red, brown, and another red. I am gonna stay with darker colors because I think they're it's just so much easier to keep them if they're dirty or anything. And then we'll just do the white design of the snowflake, which I'm so excited. So let's continue knitting more hats and then see how far we get today. I'm so excited. This has been actually really fun doing this project so far. So let's keep going and then see how it goes.
All of you, come here. Just look at the mess in here. The disarray, the disorganization, and look at the mess!
Yes, Chef, I'm gonna get it together.
Morning guys, so I just want to do a real quick update. It is the few days later since I've been home from Breckenridge, and I've actually finished 9 hats in Breckenridge. Like, there's a lot. So I'm so excited. And so I actually had to go to Michael's to get more yarn, which I'll show you. I got different colors, red, blue, some other stuff. And so right now I'm gonna go get some pizza with Eli, and then we'll come back and we'll continue knitting these hats on our knitting machine, and then we'll do the design. So right now we have 9 hats. Today I'm hoping to do 15 hats, then start doing the designs. And when I have more time, I'll do the rest 5, because I'm trying to do 10 to 20, and so 15 is a good number I think for today. And so let's go get some pizza really quick and then come back home and continue knitting and then doing the design. I'm so excited. This has been so much fun. So stay tuned to see how everything turns out.
It's pizza time!
Dude, your pizza looks good. And mine looks good too. And then I got some of these at the grocery store so I can put on my pizza. So let's eat, guys, and then we'll get back to knitting. Update, it's like 4, maybe 5 something, because it's dark outside, and we finished our first beanie. I am so excited. How cute is this? So I think I'm just gonna do the same design just because it's super simple and easy. And so let's try it on really quick. I did do medium tension. Oh my god, this is so cute. I think they're really gonna love it, and I hope they will stay warm because it's double rim. So oh my god, this is so freaking cute. I love this. What? Dude, they're gonna love it. I am so happy that I did this project this year. I still have a long way to go because this is our first one, and we have like 9 more to go, plus like 10 more probably that I need to make. So let's continue working on this. I'm just gonna put you on the side, time lapse everything, and put some lo-fi, and then let's meet maybe tomorrow or when we're done with all of the beanies. This looks so sick, guys. I'm so happy. Let's continue working and then see how it goes.
While working on this design, I'm listening to this really good podcast called The Thing About Helen and Olga. It is available on podcast app on your phone. It is free. It's also, I believe you can probably listen to it on YouTube, but here's a little trailer of what the podcast is about.
Yeah, guys, we finished 2 beanies and they look amazing. I'm so happy how it's turning out. I'm still using the same design, and so we got 8 more to go because I rolled already 8 beanies. So we got 8 more to go in different colors: black, blue. We have red with black rim, so a little bit more style. And so I might switch up some snowflakes after this one and just try something else. But let's continue working on this and see how it goes.
They were sweet little old ladies. One with a big bouffant, the other with a Hungarian accent. Helen and Olga.
They looked like very nice grandmothers, you know.
In a city named for angels, Helen and Olga made it their mission to help homeless men get off the street. This is a story about pride and greed and envy and other deadly sins.
Several days later.
Hi guys, a real quick update. So here's some beanies that I've been making for the video, and I'm so excited. It's coming along so well. I think we have 10 beanies by now, but here's some other stuff that I did. So snowflakes, we did the sun. I wasn't sure about this one, this really cute Santa, and then we've been doing other snowflakes with different colors. And so right now we're gonna take a break from knitting and doing the duplicate stitch, and we're gonna go see a basketball game. So I'll take you guys with me to go see that right now down in the, I don't even know the name of the facility that we're gonna go to, but you're gonna see it. And so let's go do that really quick, and then we'll come back and probably continue knitting tomorrow because I am pretty tired after work, and we won't be home till probably past 11, which will be bedtime. So let's go do that really quick, see some basketball game, have some fun, and then we'll come back and knit. You just asked us for the vaccine card. I've never had that before. I'm shook.
Shook.
much, much later.
Yay guys, quick update. So I finished 15 hats for the people that are homeless that I was gonna give away on Christmas, and today is the Tuesday. It's like we're almost there. Anyway, so I bought some wrapping paper yesterday at Michael's. Yesterday I bought this cute wrapping paper, and so now let's start wrapping the hats in this, and then we'll give it to the homeless people down in Denver, hopefully this weekend before I head up to Breckenridge to celebrate Christmas with my family, or maybe even today. So let's go do that really quick. I'm gonna put you overhead, put some lo-fi music while we wrap all the presents together.
Later.
So I used to live right here, and every day I would drive by this, I guess, highway to get to work. And so I made this project quite a bit ago. This took me quite a bit, and I actually used my knitting machine, but it still took me a while to do the designs. But I just wanted to spread some joy and love before the new year and give these away to people who need it, especially because the snowstorm is coming today, and I think they can use this a lot. Yay, we just gave 2 hats away. One, the guy was sleeping, so I kind of left it really neatly behind him, and then one lady was walking towards us, and I said, do you want a present? She said yes. And then the other one, we asked, do you want a hat? And she said, I have too much hair. That was my favorite. Can I give you a present?
Yeah. What is it?
Something I made. Oh, I love that movie. Matrix. I hope you have a happy new year, sir.
Okay, it's something that you made.
Yes. Keep you warm. Stay warm. Oh, take it. Whichever one.
Oh, snap. Go ahead.
What kind of gift?
It's something handmade. It'll keep you warm.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. You too. Thanks. Yeah, cool. Dope. How's it going?
Oh, do you want a gift? Oh, you guys want a gift? Happy New Year. All right, finished our mission. I am so happy. Let's go home.